What is up, everybody? This is FNH here with a brand new video to talk about how you can remove ghost/inactive followers from your Instagram account. So there's this app called Unfollow. I know it's very generic. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys so you can easily able to find it. But essentially in this app, it's extremely cool. I believe it's free. I had another app that I used to use, but it died. They stopped updating it. It was extremely slow. You had to pay for it. This is much better. I would highly recommend this app. Definitely go for this one because, again, I believe it's free. There's ads on it, which I don't care about. So you may see this in the video itself as well, like an ad pop-up. But essentially, the way you need to do it, and I'm going to go do a very quick and dirty, like, exactly step by step without wasting any time, what you need to do. So the first step is subscribe to my channel and like this video. Haha. Nah. In all honesty, the first step is when you're on the following tab, you need to press select, and in here you can essentially select all your followers, but what you're trying to aim for is selecting either people who aren't following you, people who are ghost users. So essentially you can limit what ghost is. So these are people who are like, they follow you, they're active, but they just don't like your content. So they're the worst. They're bad, but I don't know if they're the worst from inactive or not. I think they're worse because they're active and they're not liking your content. It could be because they follow like tens of thousands of people, so that just makes it worse. I know the algorithm has been getting better lately, but still. The inactive one are people who have not done anything for X period of time, and again, you can filter that X period of time. And essentially, let's just go with ghost users. Yep, it even tells you if they haven't liked your last 50 posts. So there's like a limit. Obviously it can't be your last post, that's not fair. And again, I believe you can select that as well. And as you can see, majority of my followers are ghost. The only reason for that is I have not posted in a significantly long time. If you're a normal Instagram user, this will not happen to you. I'm just going to deselect all, and I'm going to do, let's just go with inactive users. This might be better. I could be wrong, but this might be better. This might show, this shows a tad bit truer perspective of what's actually happening. Actually, I think I'm on the wrong place. That was following. So these were people I was following. Oh, I'm so sorry. So it's on the follower side. Same story. It's still in the same ballpark. I believe, well, we're gonna see if it gives like a better result. So yeah, same is again. I have not been using Instagram. I should be using it more often, but again, within the same ballpark. So I'm just gonna go with inactive because this will give a better perspective, regardless of whether it's followers or following. Because you could be following people who are still inactive, and vice versa. People could be following you and are inactive. So it can fall into the same ballpark. Once that's done, I believe this is taking a little bit longer, but once this is done, I'm going to exactly show you what's the next step you need to do. I don't even mind blocking these people because this cleans up your page per se. It cleans it up. It gives you a better impression of what's going on, how your page is going, and what type of follow. You want the cleaner followers. You want the followers who are following you, so you have a higher reach. Your percentage, like if you have 100 followers and you know only like 10 are responding back, you'd rather have just 10 followers and let those 10 like your pictures because you'll be promoted more because you'll be having more engagement. So this kind of sucks. I'm gonna just close the app and reopen the app. Where is it? Unfollow. All right, I'm just gonna go back. Hopefully this time it works. It shouldn't be that long. I don't know why it started glitching. I don't think it's only 194 users. That's why it's a little bit odd to me why it's so yeah, perfect. 61 users. What you need to do next is essentially you can just block it over here. You can whitelist them. So if you have a friend, it's your friend, you don't want to block him or her, you can just whitelist them. So you can like select one by one and whitelist them, or you can put them to the list, which is essentially just like loading all the users over here essentially. So essentially what you need to do is, let's just say block. What essentially is going to happen is this is going to put it to the queue, which you'll see over here. So in this queue, you'll see there's a pending task. Well, whatever. You know what? Screw it. I don't care. It's actually unfollowing, blocking them. So this is going to like literally remove all of those followers that you like, people who are following you, but they were inactive, so it didn't even matter. And again, I really don't care even if they were real, but they're not. Anyways, you have the intervals here. You can have a custom one, but they give you 3 days, 30, 60, 90. So you have the full quarter, or you can have a monthly. You have your goals filters, your last 50 posts, 100 posts, custom. You could have last 5 posts. Hey, you're not liking my last 5 pictures, you're gone, bro. And then there's the whitelist manager, and then there's the blocked users. It shows like, oh, look, I blocked all of these. I can actually select them all, unblock them if I did it by accident. Let's say it was an accident, a friend got it by accident. anything can happen. You can actually unblock them, and that's about it. This app is overall very good. It still updates on time. It actually gives you exactly what you need. overall, I personally really like it a lot. I would highly recommend this to you guys. Definitely give it a shot. Definitely check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below. And yeah, overall, I do hope you guys found this video informative and helpful. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell for more videos such as these. Make a lot of how-tos, product reviews, money making guide, real estate guides, whatever the hell you want me to, I make. And yeah, if you get stuck, if you have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know in the comment section below. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.